Hey folks, today I want to do a quick video. It is about my ignition switch. It's just a little tip or trick that I wanted to show you. When I was changing out my stock handlebars, I had to remove the ignition switch in order to get the dash panel out. It made it a lot easier. And I thought I'd do a quick video about the alignment of the ignition switch. Sometimes you can put it back and get misaligned. And I'll go into that a little bit more detail. So let's take a closer look and I'll explain what I'm talking about. All right, so in order to get the ignition switch off, you got to turn it all the way over to the fork position. Then use your key. There is a little button under here that I'll show you. And there's a little spring. So let me get it turned around here. Obviously this is a little hard to do with one hand, but you see there's a little button there that allows you to release the lock. All right, looking at this a little bit closer, you'll see these teeth on the ignition switch, kind of like the teeth on a key. And this one is particularly smaller than on the opposite side. I don't know how well you can see that. If you look down into the ignition, there's gaps for these particular teeth, so to speak. One smaller, one larger than the other. I don't know how well you can see down in there. Maybe I can get a nice spot. You'll notice there are particular teeth gaps that match the ignition switch. Now, if those are not lined up and it goes straight in, then you're going to have a problem. You're going to need like some kind of alignment tool, and you'll probably find them on Amazon. I know at one time, and maybe still today, some of those are like $50. I think I saw one on Amazon around $14.50, $14.59, something like that. But you don't need that. Save yourself some money and just use a flathead screwdriver. And you can just align that. I'm going to show you real quick, see if you can hear it. Make sure I get in there. You don't have to go all the way down. You hear that click? Try it one more time. Oh, there's another one. Just like if you were spinning it. Right now it is out of line. I couldn't put it in there. So I'm gonna move it back to where it should be. All right, let's put the ignition back in. Don't forget the spring. That thing can get away from you. So it should just slide right back down in. I have to wiggle it just a little bit. And then it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me. I have to turn the ignition a little bit, and there we go. It's back to where it was. So I messed it up for you. So everything looks good. Working just like it should. So again, all you need is a screwdriver. You can hear it click like I showed you before. Don't need an alignment tool, so don't go out and spend the money. You already have the tool. Most people have a screwdriver, even if it's just for home use. So I hope this helps somebody. I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always, rip the ride. See ya.